In today's tutorial, we will see how to put a video or an image inside any text. Open DaVinci Resolve. We must place the clip in a higher video track. Since in the lower track, we will put the text. Next, go to the Effects menu. Click on the Toolbox section and find the text effect. We click on it and drag it to the timeline. Put it just below the video clip and adjust the text clip correctly so that it has the same duration as the video. Now, deactivate this video track to see the text that we've put below. Now click on the text clip, open the inspector menu, and all these options will appear. Now we're going to change the text. Just write the title you want. We can change the font family to make it look better. Lastly, I'm going to change the size of the text and adjust it so that it occupies the entire screen. Great! Now we activate the video track that we previously deactivated. We simply have to change the composite mode from normal to darken. We already see the video inside the text.